Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, no face cam, but, I didn't really want to do face cam for this video, but, we're going to be playing Speedrun 4 once again, but we're going to be playing in a different dimension, so I could show you guys. I will be using Cybernaut. The game froze. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Dang it. Okay. 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So how are you guys' day today? I hope it's going amazing. I like this dimension. It's cool. I think I've played it before because the stars, every time you play a new dimension, the stars you get more stars. Why does this look so... I think I've played in the Cybernaut dimension before, but I'm not really sure. Because I didn't record me playing in that. If I did play in it. Okay, let me see if there's a star over there. Nope, no star. I can't remember what level this is. Oh, this is the one with the crystals in it. Okay, I almost died there. Can we do a 360? Let's try this. And the one off this path. Okay, that was not a 360. Okay, can we try? Can we do it? Can we do it? Okay, that was not a 360. I'm gonna jump back. No! What the? Get out of here. What the? Okay. Is it possible? Okay. 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 I know I messed up. I know I messed up. Okay. Let's try it. And then we'll maybe 360 next round. Actually, no, because it's so hard to do the 360s. I gotta tell you guys, it really is. Okay. Whoa! I don't think I've... Okay, I have, but that's really cool. That's really cool. Usually this level looks really evil, but this one looks... But when it's like this, it looks pretty cool. This is the rainbow level. It looks nothing like it does in regular dimensions. Okay. Oh, that was close. Sorry, I just needed to clear my throat. Oh! No! Wait, what? Wait. Hold on, guys. Okay. Is there anyone on level 6? Oh, that was level 6. I didn't even know, guys. Please ignore the background noise. Okay, there's a person on level 5. I gotta zoom out of here. I gotta hurry and scurry. Hey, that rhymed. Okay. Also, I might get a green screen. I don't know. I might get a green screen. I know. I might. I might have said this in the last two, in a few videos ago, but I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. And I hope you guys will have a happy New Year. This one's level usually looks pretty evil. Guys, if you can hear background noises, please ignore it. What is... Oh, this is the city level. There's someone here. We might not make it to the end in this video, guys, but... This is the first time I've had my path unequipped. Last level for the video, I guess. Annie's still on level 5? Alright, one more level. Okay. Actually, you know what, guys? That'll do it for today's video. If you liked this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!